How to start an egg business in South Africa. If you're looking for a low-cost, high-demand business that anyone can start, this video will walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your operation to daily management, costs, and selling strategies. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch a profitable egg business in the South African market. 1. Choosing your egg business model. The first step is deciding which type of egg business suits your goals and resources. You can start small with backyard egg farming, perfect for beginners, or go medium scale with a few hundred hens in a structured setup. Some entrepreneurs combine layers and broilers to maximize income, while others focus solely on layer hens for consistent egg production. Think about your space, budget, and long-term plans. This decision will shape the rest of your operation. Choosing the right model from the start helps you avoid costly mistakes later and sets you on a path to consistent profits. 2. Estimating startup costs and budgeting. Next, you need to understand the costs involved. Start with the essentials: hens, feed, housing, equipment, and permits. For small-scale operations, you can get started with just a few dozen hens, a modest coop, and basic feeding systems. It's important to budget carefully. Overspending at the start can stall your progress. South African prices for chicks, feed, and materials vary by province, so check local suppliers and compare options to get the best deal. 3. Setting up your egg farm. Now let's talk about setting up your farm. Your hens need a safe, well-ventilated coop with enough space to move freely. Proper lighting and temperature control are crucial to maintain consistent egg production. A clean and dry environment reduces disease risk and ensures healthy hens. Set up feeding and watering stations efficiently so you can manage them easily every day. Even a small backyard setup can produce dozens of eggs daily if managed properly. Investing time in proper setup ensures your hens stay healthy, your eggs are high quality, and your customers remain satisfied. 4. Managing daily operations. Daily operations are the backbone of a successful egg business. Collect eggs at least twice a day, clean the coop regularly, and provide fresh feed and water consistently. Keep records of egg production, feed usage, and hen health. This helps you track progress and spot issues early. Healthy hens mean reliable egg supply, which keeps customers returning. South Africans value consistency, so ensuring quality and reliability from day one sets the foundation for long-term success. With disciplined daily routines, even a small operation can grow into a thriving, profitable egg business. 5. Marketing and selling your eggs. Once your egg business is up and running, the next crucial step is finding customers. Local markets, spaza shops, and restaurants are all excellent places to sell your eggs, but don't overlook direct-to-consumer options. Many South Africans prefer buying fresh eggs from trusted local suppliers rather than supermarkets, giving small-scale producers a real advantage. You can also use WhatsApp groups, social media, and community boards to advertise your eggs. Packaging and presentation matter. Even simple branded cartons can make your eggs look professional and encourage repeat purchases. Consistency in quality and communication helps you build a loyal customer base that will keep coming back week after week. Offering promotions or bulk discounts can attract more customers and boost early sales. 6. Understanding legal requirements and permits. Before you scale too far, it's essential to know the rules. South African municipalities may require permits for small livestock operations, and health regulations must be followed to ensure your eggs are safe for consumption. Proper documentation can protect you if issues arise and gives your business credibility when approaching buyers. Some provinces also have agricultural associations or cooperatives you can join for guidance and networking. Being compliant from the start not only avoids fines, but also builds trust with customers, which is key in a competitive market. Additionally, staying updated with changes in local laws ensures your business remains legal and reputable as it grows. Taking the time to learn these requirements early prevents costly mistakes and protects your investment. 7. Scaling your business for profit. Finally, consider how to grow your egg business over time. As demand increases, you might expand your flock, invest in automated feeding and watering systems, or start supplying larger retailers. Some entrepreneurs add value by offering organic or free-range eggs, which can command higher prices. Keeping detailed records of costs, production, and sales allows you to identify the most profitable strategies and plan for expansion confidently. With careful scaling, even a small backyard operation can evolve into a thriving enterprise supplying multiple communities across South Africa. Focusing on gradual, well-planned growth helps maintain quality while maximizing profits. Diversifying your product line, like adding specialty eggs, can increase revenue streams and attract a wider market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who's thinking of starting their own business. Don't forget to subscribe to Economic Indicators and hit the notification bell so you never miss our practical business tips, market insights, and strategies to help you grow and stay ahead. Starting an egg business can be incredibly rewarding, but like any venture, it requires dedication, consistency, and smart planning. Take what you've learned today, start small, and focus on quality and customer relationships. That's the key to turning this business into a long-term, profitable venture. Remember, the success of your business is in your hands, and with the right approach, there's no reason why you can't become a trusted supplier in your community and beyond. And here's the truth. South Africa's agricultural sector is filled with untapped potential. Every township, every rural area, and even urban spaces have people searching for fresh, affordable produce and reliable local suppliers. You don't need massive capital to begin. What you really need is consistency, discipline, and the ability to spot gaps others ignore. Small steps compound over time, and before you know it, your side hustle can become a sustainable business that supports both you and your community. If you want more videos like this, comment below and let us know which business you'd like us to cover next. We're here to provide actionable strategies and insights that empower South Africans to start, grow, and scale businesses that truly work. Every week, we bring you content designed to give you an edge and make informed decisions about your entrepreneurial journey. At Economic Indicators, we do not wait for the economy to change, we outsmart it.